Alright, for this one they've asked us to do a stem plot, and so what we're going to do here is we're going to do an expanded stem plot with about 9 rows. Alright, so what we need to do here is look at our data. So this is precipitation. Some of them start, looks like our smallest one might be right here, 0.1. And we go up to, looks like a max of maybe 4.2. And it shows up several times. Alright, so what we're going to do here for this one is we're going to start with 0. And then we'll make our stem there, and we're going to put our leaves out here, so all the 0 point somethings will go out there. But since they want us to get about 9 rows, what we're going to do is on this first row, this is kind of a different thing for a stem plot. We wouldn't normally do this, I wouldn't think, but we'll put all the 0.0s up to 0.4s on this row, and then everything that's 0.5 to 0.9 we'll put on the next row. Alright, so that's what will go here. So we'll have 2 rows of 0 point something, and we'll do the same thing, 1 point, 1 point, 2, and then 2, 3, and then 3, and then we'll just have 1 row of 4 because as we saw our highest 4 was 4.2, and so that'll give us the 9 rows that they're asking for. Alright, so when I do this I basically go in order and I strike it off as I go. So 0.1 is going to go there and strike that one out. And let's look for any other ones that are 0 point and less than 0.5, and I see a 0.4. So we'll put 4 there. Alright, and now there's a 0.5 there, that's going to belong on the next row. Alright, and there's no others that start with 0. So now, oh sorry, there's another 0.4. So this is a good reason that you strike through them, that way you don't miss one. So there was a second 0.4. Oh, and there's a 0.8, so I'm overlooking them like crazy here, so 0.8. Alright, and in this way you can make sure that you're not missing any. Sorry, so the next one is 1 point something. So we're looking for the 1.0, there's a 1.0. Alright, number 1.0 is 1.1s, 1.2 right there. Alright, and then we'll do a 1.3, 4. I don't see any 1.3 or 1.4. Alright, so now we'll jump to the next row and we'll do 1.5, and there's a 1.5 right there. So I'm going to continue this process all the way down until I fill all these in. So I'll pause and I'll do that step now. Alright, so now I've finished the table, and you see I can now double check I've crossed every one of these off. Alright, so I know that I've got them all, so let me go look at my answer choices. So we only have 2 answer choices here, and so you can see the 2 tables look identical until you get right here to this row. Right, we only have 1 7, and they have 3 7s in answer choice A. And then also down here on this row there's missing 2 7s and 2 of the 9s, so you can see but yes, that I'd actually just catch the error. There is an error here then. No, sorry, they are correct. They're all correct because this one is missing. It's missing 2 of those 7s. Sorry, I got confused there. It's missing 2 of those 7s, and then 1 of those 9s is also missing. So this one has too many 2.7s, and it's missing some of these down here for 3 points like that. So therefore the right answer is answer choice B.